Let me tell you, say, come like you put a friend name over me, you know, God knows.
What the frig you call me with me? So what am I sachet?
You know, say, go help me wash. You go drink last night and come. That's why I tell you, if you tap drink and look how early you get up this morning, go help your friend and come back in a second and lie down again, O'Neal.
Sasha, what am I sachet?
Help me wash now. You want me put on long fingernails and you want to help me wash. Eh? See, broke up. You have to help me wash, honey. You have to help me wash. Come now, man. You know, see, you go help me wash, on. What you hear?
You wait till the sun cool on the sachet.
Oh, when the sun cool, the
get
whole
on the
clothes
5
are
minute
dry.
rest for sachet.
I don't know how long you sleep for. And I can't take out your body so O'Neal. And I wash your body good. Honey, now wash your body good. Honey, your body want to wash.
No, man. Body a bun me so.
So what you do last time make your body a bun you so?
Don't bother with the fuck. Don't bother with the sachet. Don't bother with the fuck.
So you deal with your body so O'Neal.
No, man.
Go wash your body. Go wash your body. Go use soap and wash your body.
Ah!
What happened to you?
Body up.
Go wash your body now, Honey, go and go wash your body.
Hey.
Wash it. Go wash your body, Honey.
Hey.
Idiot tap patchy where you are.
Moon, man.
Watch it. Say body tap bunny all of a sudden, so.
Sachet.
I joke. Never mean it. Go and go wash your body now, Honey. I know when I look at pepper hands and bite you.
Pepper hands, no man will me body a bun me, man.
What's your... Go wash your body, make me pour like.
You can't just me pour upon the come sachet then.
No, go and you wash it. Go and wash your body.
Ay, me body a bun me. Ay.
Idiot, watch it.
God. Sachet, me body a bun me.
No, watch it. Idiot, go wash.
No. Ay.
Hurry up. Use fab, O'Neal. Use the fab. O'Neal! Use the fab. What a wicked fish girl, man. Sure.
Sasha, no man. Sasha, no tell me say.
O'Neal. What's your prank?
Sasha, me killing time done Sasha.
Just give me.
Sasha, me put up on my body Sasha.
Jesus
Christ.
A prank, pa.
Sasha, that a prank, that a full prank, that a idiot prank Sasha. Can you fuck up on my body Sasha? How can I prank me Sasha? Put on my body Sasha.
See him like an itchy prank, pa.
How can I itchy prank?
No, I see him like it.
Somebody body Sasha.
No, see him like it.
No.
The pepper not even so bad like itchy one.
Sasha, itchy prank different from body Sasha.
Pepper body.
God. Sasha, you know Sasha, me a fuck Sasha, wait you.
Get your idiot, your baby.
Sasha. Can't handle that.
Oh, sure. Make it. Just admit it, fact.
Sasha, that a fucking full prank.
No, O'Neal, but make it. No, O'Neal. Admit it, O'Neal. No, laugh. Admit it and make it.
That's not a prank, Sasha. Can people smell the body and say a prank?
Yeah, what?
People smell the body and a prank, Sasha.
Look how much idiot prank you do. I made the one good prank par. You made a couple of them.
Big Sasha. That now go Sasha. Don't.
It a go up now.
Fuck yeah, let me go.
It depends where you go up. It gone up already. It gone up already on YouTube. It gone up, you know. Let me take it down back.